Okay, element. Review the table of the story elements. Elements means the background, problem, and the solution. Okay, elements. That's the elements. Oh no.
Element. Element. Element.
Okay, a part of something. That's called element.
That's called a part of something. That's called this.
Okay, element.
Is
Uh,
the one
so many
so many
things. Element.
so many
A part of something. Okay, that's it.
part of
Yeah,
something.
look. Yeah,
Part,
element.
Element.
element,
Element. Element.
element.
Can spell it?
ELEMENT element.
It's so slow. Yeah, ingredient, member, component. Yeah, all these are
All these
new for you.
elements.
Okay. Okay, look at this one. Good.
One of the parts that make up a whole.
Okay. Okay, a part of something.
A part of something about.
Okay, elements. Okay.
Review the table of the story elements.
Okay, here the elements means
Background, problem, solution.
okay, Jonah,
and his
scouting,
tube are spending the night in a museum. It's Jonah's first time at the museum. Jonah is worried about spending the night in an unfamiliar place.
Okay,
Jennifer
Jonah and Adam
learned more about what's in the museum, and Sarah
John
becomes more comfortable.
Okay, at the beginning he is worried.
He is worried.
Later he become comfortable. Okay.
He become comfortable.
Okay. Let's do this one.
Using the information from the table, complete a
Summary.
summary.
Yeah, that's what I think I mean. Summary. Summary of a book. Okay. What's this?
Element. Element. Element.
One of the parts that make up a whole.
Okay. No. Summary.
Woo!
Summary.
Summary.
Summary. Summary.
Summary.
Now.
Brief means short.
Brief.
Statement.
A brief statement that gives the most important information about something.
Okay, so it's a very long story, right? The summary just a several sentence. It's a shorter statement. Okay.
When some he
Okay, here this.
They gave a summary of their progress in building the bridge.
Okay, summary.
Bridge.
A short.
Building.
Yes. Actually, all this are new to you. Okay, summary. Oh, you need to spell it.
SMAM.
No. Let's do.
SUMMARY. Summary. Now.
Okay. Now. Okay. We are making a summary. Okay.
Complete a summary of the story.
Okay, we need to drag these things to here. Okay, we figure out.
Learning more about the friendly plant-eating dinosaurs.
Okay.
Sleeping over at the Natural History Museum and the city, nervous about sleeping in a strange building, feel better about sleeping in the museum.
Okay, now we need to figure out which to put here. Jonah
and his
scouting troop. Okay. Jonah
and his scouting troop will be
which one?
Will be this.
Which one? You can
no. Sleeping over.
Okay.
Will feel
which
back.
one? Okay, you can drag it. Do you want
sleeping over at a natural history museum in the city.
Okay.
This one.
Okay, you can drag it.
Drag.
Then use mouse.
To the museum.
Good. That's a background, and let's keep going. Okay.
This is Sarah. Jonah's first time at the museum.
He is. Okay, he is what?
He is nervous about sleeping in a strange building.
Okay.
He is sleeping in a strange building.
Okay. Okay, let's keep going.
However, he and his friends found Adam.
Okay. Yeah.
Learn more about the
friendly
plant-eating dinosaurs.
Okay, dinosaurs. Okay.
This one.
Okay.
About the dinosaurs.
Okay. Good. Drag
Feel better.
Okay. Okay. You can drag it that way.
Feel better.
Do you want to read this?
In the classroom and the room where they will be sleeping, and this makes
Jonah. Okay.
Sleeping.
Yeah.
And someone's
Jonah. Yeah.
Feel better about sleeping in the museum. In the end, he is ready to have fun.
Okay.
Sleeping in the.
You see, just stop. You see, this first part, sleeping over at a natural history museum, that's a background. Then he is nervous about sleeping in a strange building. That's the problem. And then later, this is to a solution.
To our solutions.
Okay.
See?
Okay. Good.
These are all.
Let's finish one. Okay, let's read another one.
Read the story. the
kayak. Okay, you
recipients is
yeah, that one. What do you know? What's the
kayak.
okay? And then this one.
Summary.
Summary.
Summary. Summary.
It's
Okay.
Summary.
summary.
Okay.
Now,
Okay, this one actually has a very good explanation
slipping someone's
for it.
a short statement of the main points.
Yeah, that's summary.
The main point.
Okay.
In someone's bed.
Kayak.
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 Okay, spell.
K-A-Y. K-K kayak.
Yeah, one more time.
K-A-Y-A-K kayak. A long narrow boat.
Okay. That's that it. Okay, that's kayak.
This
Oh no.
the kayak ship trip
Okay, trip. Okay.
moved covered from head to toe and moves
Sunscreen.
sunscreen.
Okay, sunscreen. You go to outside. Sometimes you have to put sunscreen on your skin to protect you. You see, you put this one on the skin. Yeah, to protect your skin from the sun. Okay, otherwise you get sunburned. Okay, that's sunscreen. Okay.
They say if
What's that?
kayak
Good.
Kayak.
kayak
Kayak.
kayak
Kayak.
a long narrow boat. Do you
Sunscreen.
sunscreen?
Sunscreen. Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. A sunscreen. A screen to protect against sun.
Okay, actually
It's a
like lotion. Okay, this sunscreen you apply it on your skin. You apply like that. Apply it on the skin to protect your skin. It's called a sunscreen.
it's called sunscreen.
Yeah.
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Sunscreen.
Sunscreen.
Okay. Okay. Covered
From head to toe and sunscreen. I stood
Good.
by at the edge of the water next by to my kayak, trying to look relaxed. I figured I would just watch my two older
Cousins. Okay, cousins.
Okay,
Yeah, and yeah, good voice. Good voice.
I will watch my two cousins and then I should watch my other two cousins that are important
No.
to
That's
and my the on the two down on
Ira.
I
Ira.
I
Ira.
yeah
okay. Era. Let's see. Era. Then another word. My two cousin Era.
and Eddie
Good. Era and Eddie.
and do what trap what trap whatever you do
Yeah, whatever you do here,
You
I
should.
do it for you.
I do for you.
Okay. Whatever I do it for you. Whatever. Okay.
Do for you. I do
Um,
stupid do for you this
I stop
stupid
here.